I'm a big user of the line element in Brizy, actually any page builder for that matter. I like to use it as separation, and it's got a mega upgrade in 2.4. Now you can use it to add some text in the middle, even an icon. Let's see how that works. Here I have my heading for this section and I want to add a separator. So I bring in the line element, I drop it there. And then as you select on it, you still have the same old default line that you can select and change the width of the line, and you can change the color. Let's put it on green so we can see it a little bit better, make it darker. And all of them remains as it were. And I love it. Now, if you go all the way to the left, you have the option to change it to text. And then next to text, also an icon that you can add to it. Loads of things that you can think of here. If I go to the text, think of a wedding, double click the text and type in something like harmony. And then you style out the text exactly the way you would do usually. And you can also change the color of the text. If you prefer to use an icon, let's click on our icon. We type in there, love, over here. And we can set the icon to the right, to the left, to the middle. And that's also the same for the text. So if you want the text at the beginning to create this little text at the beginning with a follower, or add a leader and then the text at the end, you have that functionality by aligning it center, right, or to the left. It looks like a small upgrade to the line element. I love it. Huge for me.